body knots and ripped up Levi's. My hair looks better in a flat wheel tree. Art eyelashes are the ones I swear by. I like the way they look on me, but sometimes I still grab a jacket on my way out the door. 'Cause there's parts of me I like to hide when I'm insecure. If pretty is as pretty doesn't, who the hell decided what pretty was? And if perfect's in them, count me out, 'cause I got better things that I can think about. There are days in the mirror when I don't feel like enough, but I'm getting pretty good at not thinking about pretty much. I guess I cuss a little when I'm drinking. I'm a nightmare when I don't get my sleep. Still got weekends I go off that deep end, count falls and calories. And then I cry 'cause I'm mad, then get mad 'cause I cry. But maybe there's some beauty in my ugly side. If pretty is as pretty doesn't, who the hell decided what pretty was? And if perfect's in them, count me out, 'cause I got better things that I can think about. There are days in the mirror when I don't feel like enough, but I'm getting pretty good at not thinking about pretty much. Pretty much, pretty much. I pretty much love how the good remaining, pretty much fine with my little crazy. You don't like it, that's okay. I'm pretty much over what other people think. 'Cause if pretty is as pretty does, who the hell decided what pretty was? And if perfect's in them, count me out, 'cause I got better things that I can think about. There are days in the mirror when I don't feel like enough, but I'm getting pretty good at not thinking about pretty much. Not thinking about pretty much.
Let's learn pretty much. It's choreographed by Amy Glass. It is a 48 count 2-wall improver level line dance with a restart on wall 3 after 8 counts with a step change and a tag on the end of wall 6. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart and the tag, and then we're going to go through and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn pretty much. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and then we're going to shuffle back with our right, stepping right back, left together, right back. You're now going to rock back with your left foot, recover onto your right, step forward with your left foot, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, turning on your left foot and touching your right next to your left to face 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to chasse to the right, so you're going to step right side, left together, right side. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you chasse to the left, stepping left side, right together, left side to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to do a jazz box, crossing your right over your left. Step your left foot back, step your right foot to the right side, and then step your left foot slightly forward. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just touched our right next to our left. You're going to do your chasse to the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to do a crossing shuffle right over left, cross right over left, left side, right over left. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right. You're going to step your left foot back and slightly behind your right, and then you're going to point your right toe to the right side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your quarter pivot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, we're going to step our right foot back and behind our left, point your left toe to the left side. You're going to step your left foot back and behind your right, and we're going to sweep our right from front to back. You're now going to rock back with your right foot, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a kickball cross, kicking our right foot forward and slightly into the right diagonal. Quickly step your right next to your left, and then cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our back point. So weight is on your left, stepping back with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 5, we're going to do a quarter lock step, turning over our right shoulder. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. Bring your left foot in and behind your right. Now we're going to do a step lock step, bringing your right foot forward. Step your left foot in and behind your right, and then step your right foot forward. We're now going to do a half step lock, making a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. Bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then we're going to do a left step lock step, stepping forward with your left foot, bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then step forward with your left. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our kickball cross, so weight is on your left. You're making that quarter turn, doing your step lock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 6 in our final section of the dance. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and then quickly step your right next to your left. We're now going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto our right. We're going to do 2 walks back, left, right, and then do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, starting with your rock with the right. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you're ready to start all over again with your rock and shuffle back. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your rock forward. So it's rock forward, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover, step, quarter, touch, chasse to the right, quarter, chasse to the left, jazz, box, step. Step, quarter, pivot, crossing, shuffle, side rock, recover, cross, back point, back sweep, rock back, recover, kick, fall, cross, quarter, step, lock, step, half step, lock, step, rock, recover, ball, rock, recover, walk back, back, coaster, step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your rock. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about our restart. Your restart is going to happen on wall 3. You'll be facing 12 o'clock. You're going to dance the first 7 counts like you would. Then instead of making that quarter turn touch, all we're going to do is scuff our left foot forward. So let's dance the first 7 counts, and then we'll add on that scuff. Weight is on your left, starting with your rock forward. So it's rock forward, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover, step. Now we're just going to scuff our right foot forward, and then you're ready to start all over again. This will become wall 4. You will dance wall 4 and wall 5 all the way through. When we come back to the front wall, it will be wall 6. You're going to dance the full 48 counts, and then when we get to the back wall, you're going to add on a tag. Your tag is just a rocking chair, so you'll be facing the back, but I'm going to show you to the front. All you're going to do is rock forward with your right, recover back, rock back with your right, recover forward. And that will come after you do your rocking coaster step. You'll add on your rocking chair. And that is your tag. So let's do it to the back. Weight is on your left. You just finished your coaster step. We're going to do our rocking chair, rocking forward with our right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, you don't have to worry about anything. The dance ends facing 12 o'clock. So you don't have an ending. so you don't have to worry. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 7 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restart and the tag into the next wall. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our rock forward. So it's rock forward, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover, step, quarter touch, chasse, quarter chasse, jazz box with a step, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, side rock, recover, cross back, point to the side, back point, back sweep, rock back, recover, kick, fall, cross, quarter step, lock, step, half step, lock, step, rock, recover, ball, rock, recover, walk back, back, coaster step, start over, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Dance the first 8 counts with your step change. Rock, recover, shuffle back, recover, step, scuff, restart, rock forward, recover, shuffle back, recover, step, quarter touch, chasse, quarter chasse, jazz box, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, side rock, recover, back point, back sweep, rock back, recover, kick, fall, cross, quarter step, lock, step, half step, lock, step, rock, recover, ball, rock, recover, walk back, back, coaster step, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. At the end of this wall, you're going to add on your tag. Rock, recover, shuffle back, recover, step, quarter touch, chasse, quarter chasse, jazz box, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, side rock, recover, cross back and point, back sweep, rock back, recover, kick, fall, cross, quarter step, lock, step, half step, lock, step, rock, recover, ball, rock, recover, walk back, back, coaster step, as your rocking chair, 1, 2, 3, for start over, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use a timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn pretty much. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
I like Friday nights and red